Hi everyone! Are your pastels or chalks getting dirty with pastel dust? I'll show you a quick tip on how to clean them. So I got sent these water-soluble pastels a few weeks ago and some of them broke into pieces in the shipping. And that dust from the broken pastels got all over the other pastels and they arrived kind of dirty, which you can see on the lighter colors especially. I started by just wiping them with a paper towel, which is one way to clean them, but I wasn't getting all of the pastel dust off, and especially if you have a big collection of pastels, this might take a long time. So I tried cleaning them with rice. I reused rice I had previously used for trying out my laptop after spilling tea on it, and I poured some of the rice on a container with a lid, although I didn't end up needing the lid. But I covered the bottom of the container with rice and then added the pastels on it and finally covered them by pouring more rice on top. And then I tried gently shaking the container. Some instructions I saw said that you don't have to be careful with shaking, but I was worried the pastels would break even more. But they didn't. I think this cleaned out most of the pastels pretty well, but for example the white one still had some dark dust on it. I also tried rubbing some of the pastels directly on the rice. And finally I wiped a few of them with a paper towel again before placing them back in the box. You can even store your pastels in rice to keep them clean. It can be handy especially if you want to take them with you when traveling. That way they won't break and rub against each other, even if you don't have a container with individual compartments for each pastel. So again, this could be a good idea if you have a lot of pastels and you don't want to clean each one individually. If you want to see more tips for pastels and charcoals, click on the playlist on the screen. Thanks for watching and see you there!